All right, what a huge day we saw on Friday in the market. Let's look at the E-minis. Let's look at a daily chart, okay? We're going to right back up to this high over here. Okay, so again, looks like we're going higher. So this high that was put in place on February 27th, this high right here, this reversal pattern, the outside vertical bar that took us back down to here. Okay, so this is a big level. I believe if we're able to break up through this high, the high of 27.94 3/4 on the S&P, and we close above that level on Monday, I believe we're going to continue running. I think this is a really, really strong market, and quite frankly, I think the opportunity obviously was down at this level when we finally hit that 200-day moving average. Okay, the market had just been drifting up forever before we got this sell-off, and this was a very, very healthy sell-off, as you all know, and we needed it, right? And so now we're regaining steam. It looks like we're going higher, but I really want to see the market take out this high and close above that high. Okay, so let's see, what do we do? Twitter, I mean, look at Twitter, even high, well, okay, now, okay, so we have an inside pattern. So again, I love Twitter. You all know that I've been long about $16 and $16.50 roughly, so that's been a great trade. MBUU came right back down, so we've had this since right here, since the market took out the high of February 28th, since it took out that high at what, 32.78. So nice run up, right back down again. I took a little more profits today. Now my stop is below Friday's low of 34.26 by 10 cents. Okay. Tesla, I'm surprised with the market as strong as it was on Friday rather. This really wasn't very strong, so this is a little lagging. But I think this is a really, really good opportunity down in here if you're flat Tesla. I really, really think this is a good opportunity right down in here, okay? Take a look real closely at the 2-bar RSI right there. Okay, so look at this. This is trough number 1, trough number 2. Of course, we haven't created a trough because we haven't hooked up yet, but still, take a look at this as the market's moving lower, right? Marginal new low here from this low. This trough was higher than this trough, and then, so I think we're going higher. So Tesla, I think you could buy calls. If the market were to open up lower on Tesla, I think calls could be bought. I would go 2 months out. I'd do the Mays, right? It's March, April, May. I go two months out. If you are a little bit more aggressive, you may want to buy a few strikes out of the money, right, up in here. If you tend to be a little bit more conservative, maybe in the money options or at the money, it's really up to you. But I think Tesla's going higher, okay? WTW, if you recall, we bought this right between these two white horizontal lines, right? Weight Watchers, right? Weight Watchers. Remember, as right on this bar, I told you on any weakness on the next day, which was this big down bar, you want to be buying it, looking for that bounce, and we're getting that bounce right now. And let's look at what I pointed out yesterday, TGT, target TGT. All right, now, I pointed this out, 2 days ago. This was an inside pattern. We were looking for the market to break up through that high. Did not happen. Instead, Thursday, we had a lower high and a lower low, closed lower. And then we had an inside pattern. Friday the 9th, inside pattern, closing in the top third. So the last 2 days, Wednesday, actually Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, 3 consecutive days with lower highs and lower highs. Didn't have a lower low here, but 3 lower highs. We were oversold on the 2-bar RSI, closed below 10. And since today did close above Thursday, or Friday closed above Thursday, that's why we hooked up in the RSI. I think this is a good opportunity. Target, again, right above the high of 70.82. I'd actually go 70.101. We get a print of 71.01 without a gap through it, that would be a buy. As long as we trade up through 71.01, that would be your buy with the stop below these lows. So a very defined risk on this trade. And if you've got any questions, let me know. Have a phenomenal weekend. Bye for now.